This video of Phyno, Ezege, Cubana chief priest, and Flavor Ijelendi Igbo don't they trend. Some people never still understand the meaning of the greetings between Phyno and Flavor. If you watch the video, you go understand. And again, you get what Cubana chief priest talk for this video. Where some people don't they criticize, some people will not understand. These are some of the things you cannot take away from the Igbo people. Look interior. An average Igbo man wants to be comfortable. Whether you like it or not, you cannot take it away from an Igbo man. And these are one of the spirit that inspires Igbo people home and abroad towards, hard work. In fact, man, I watch the video first.
Ezege Barge, don't fuck with us. 680, 024 in 024. One no way many bear.
Ezegis.
Ezegisi.
Ezegisi.
Ezege Benz.
Kalisia.
Your benzo. I did tell you. Aye. Ja. Onwe many be onye orie.
My brother.
Tako wade. Iso kwa no nega. Over there. Kai. Because I drive a young pair motor.
Done now.
I tell you one day. Congratulations.
You know if it's 65.
One day. Okay, go call you.
Chief priest a ball too much and lose you just ban a net.
Oh, get it one coming. No, did he go?
There is a joy that comes from celebrating success, when your effort finally paid off. That's all I can see in the faces of both Ezege, Phyno, and the Cubana chief priest. You can't take this away from human beings. It's in the nature of man to celebrate. And above all, if you still understand the type of greeting between Flavor and Phyno, talk about the comment section. Some